Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at an Entegra Esteem Model 31F. So the Entegra Coach Esteem is Entegra's top-of-the-line Class C. This has the partial body paint that looks great, but it does look even better when you get the full body paint option. What we love about Entegras is the seamless fiberglass front cap with that front windshield. Now when we say that, the seam actually is right here underneath, but it's not on the stress point, so it's a lot less likely to leak that way. Coming on down the side here, we got chrome mirrors with cameras, frameless windows, 2-year warranty, 3-year structural, and slam latch doors for all the storage compartments. Let's take a look at the inside. When you come inside, you can see that the Esteem does look very different from its predecessor, the Odyssey. The Odyssey does the farmhouse look. The Esteem does more of a traditional look. Huge bunk over the cab that holds 750 pounds. And as you can see with that front windshield, makes all the difference in the world. Right over here is the dinette. It drops down and makes a bed. Very big windows. You got your sofa right here with storage above. Right over here, we do got a 2-way refrigerator. Does run off both propane and electric. 2 AC units in here, and a decent kitchen space. Not a great kitchen space, but when you consider this only 32 feet long with bunk beds, they make do with what they can. Right over here is the bathroom. You got a 1/4 radius shower, little sink, and a toilet that is on a perfect angle. And then right here is the bunk beds. Now these bunk beds don't fold up, but they are big, nice, and long, and fantastic. And then coming on back here into the master bedroom, we do got all this storage right here, which is very nice. Nice bed here, storage all the way around. The windows makes it bright in here. This is a tight bedroom, but it still feels spacious and bright. And there is storage underneath the bed that leads to the outside. Well, everyone, that's it. That's a quick little 2-minute tour of the Entegra Coach Esteem 31F. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, fill out that link down below and a member of my team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. We'll see you next time.